Hello everyone, ngasi mayam si Cairns ta puge. Sige sa aina 2 years back nam give a video ne. Cairns, Queensland da satpa. I had 4 days off. Adugi chatlu bane ba. Si satpagi maram se the Great Barrier Reef to. Adugi do Queensland Cairns lay bane ba. Ado it's on top of my bucket list. Adu chatlum ne but unfortunately sige matam se tropical cyclone alert ama tawdan na ay adu yen but it's but I went to other places aduga sige se uri basina Kuranda National Park neba aduga tongi basina Kuranda railway line neba adu sige Kuranda railways say si same ge bagi history se am iconic and interesting ne size da tong na train generation to piri adu si se really high above the sea level yamna wang ise lok se yamna deep gorgeous mayam leba aduga Queensland gi climate se it's typical rainforest hot and humid aduga around 30 degrees adum lay aduga lots of rainfall aduna yamna lush green oil environment se mountains se fully covered oil se aduga so many waterfalls. Ado sige railway tracks sige maram dai khara haizar kayam interesting oiba. Sige railway line se construction se mage 1886 ta horakhibaneba aduga it was completed around 1891. Aduga passenger service na around June 1891 the haugibaneba sida gorge ama urise sige se yamna aphauba gorge ne maming sina Barren Gorge kaweba ado sige railway line se yam tina deep kanoda gorge me am lay bagi nakanda plus yam na precarious oiba stony mountain side yam ngamba mountain side gi tawraga tunnel me am tawraga sabneba ado si saba saiza challenges say especially sige Barren Gorge ki area se yamna rugged terrain oeva particularly this area required the construction of around 15 tunnels aduga 55 bridges and more than 150 cuttings forested pura area se oramba degi moina kano mi myam sina taw same gi baneba adudagi tawraga adu saiza aina sumngaptang train se stop taroga khoi se explore to hole adudaida aina sige wild turkey se urakpaneba ado continuing labor turnover do yamne astronomical oiba mi myam se yam deep gorgeous yung lok ni se taraga didum cheer baneba adona mi phanyam se thabak suramaga tokhiba su phanyam yawe turnover yam me hai se aduga construction matam za around 32 men se tar gara natraga atopa accident tayra sigiba aduga malaria gi kano outbreak kasi yam thoki rainforest nina yam kang kasi chikpado hot and humid ta yam pok panina ado ai se kano yore seasonal rainforestation na Kuranda National Park manung da leiba aboriginal gi maramda khangba tambayaba adagi animal life adagi magi saisa plant life ke ka Cairns leiba Queensland da leiba myam sige maramda koina khangjaba yaba mafam ne besta chatlaga ado punna chatlaga yengminarasi pochai khara yondana leirame boomerangs ne asigi se adagi moigi artwork keka adagi plates glasses adum pot myam se yole sige sina Hercules moth kaweba sige is native to Queensland. It's the largest moth found in Australia. Magi wingspan se 300 square centimeters ka document ta yaw greba. Aduga yam chauba kanone mase aingo aigi kutala aga tung salakpe wani ado aada season manung da changa kanse aada size lay se butterfly type mayam layba aduga de yokpa khotpa moigi kanu rehabilitation adigi mayam se adugi tauna baneba adaida aina tongi ba gari se sigise army duck boat haiba kanam haibaneba sigise mase boat ki type ta tawe magi shape se aduga kangong zu pale wheels pale ba ising land zu thauba ya ba military na daga sizinarambane ba aduga ising da zu tawba ya ba aduneba adu sigi ni pasina guide se tawri akoi se different kinds of plants ki maramda tambiri adagi butterflies ki maramda adu butterflies se bright color butterflies se poisonous oigale because they eat bright colored fruits and flowers which are toxic adu moina toxic plants ke ka consume taraga moisu toxic oil ba duna atopa birds na ka chade sineba de so many other things so man hire de say za uri ba myam se so many types of ferns fern ki types ya thina leva Australia da duga ma se prehistoric era de gidum layer abane fern se leba makha da pick na hoba su lay they come in different sizes aduga am wang na hoba trees oina su yamna staiza ula ani to sidi am wang na hore se as so fern gi type amane ba aduna fern se may am lay gre
You can eat the new leaf out of that one. I don't like the taste of it much myself, but it'll keep you alive. It's a plant that we call a trooper's tree fern. Now, I've been very fortunate to have learned through a lot of friends.
Sige sum zat pa say da plant nakan da hoba myam si maram da sum ta indigenous knowledge yam lay asay da matum uris na epiphytes ka ba epiphyte have a Greek term dagi Greek kano dagi lakne ado mase air plants asu ka ba ado mase kano da tropical climate sumaina rainforest says makha da mase nungsit nungsa digi nutrition ke kasyam phangdam nina mana u atopa da nappaga nutrition do adai lauraga harmful oide mase coexist obe wane ba adagi asidana mana asigi panbi si maram da taiba asigi panbi sina mana se thengradi acupuncture type ta needle mya na yungbai type ta nine haiba aduga kangaga kona tawra asmaina mana jem pai se asigi se ligi type ta neba kangaga mana da loin lawthoga di asmaina yam durable oiba flexible oiba kin asmaina seasonal ya ba mathoeba but mana se pairadi na doineba aduna sumana indigenous knowledge yam lai akhoi ni ka khangda bi daga jungle daga changa pang pai pai ya punte bush knowledge hai dai sigum bas angang kan bada yam nungari hai thaina season nei
now we don't use it anymore at school, but the thing is, folks, these plants, they are a type of rattan. So cane furniture, if you're staying somewhere, folks, you know, might be cane furniture, maybe some at home.
The idea akhoi se ising da muk thaudare boat amu ni properly water the floating asidam aduga sigi ising si says the crocodiles ma'am lay ba adigi turtles so adigi maybe snakes akhoi snakes video rakte couple of crocodiles ure do gamna camouflage oiraga kano ising manung da tanghai ma submerge oina lay bi properly kano camera the capture to di toraktre so there are two types of crocodiles in Queensland saltwater crocodile ga freshwater crocodile ga adaida sigi akoina chatlisina freshwater crocodile leba jaga ne pa moi khetna base salty na size the tawbas yam hele adagi magi manaton du blunt oiraga tawbang lawe adagi kanosna fresh water sna manaton do khara tumne adagi size so pick pa hele moi zama bani ma fresh water so adagi kano salt water so moi se swamp ta river da or kano sea da so venture out tawba ngamme ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯐꯔꯦꯟꯁꯁꯦ ꯀꯣꯟꯅ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯋꯥꯅꯦꯕ but they can survive in both environments. ꯀ꯭ꯔꯣꯀꯣꯗꯥꯏꯜꯁꯦ ambush predators-ꯅꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯉꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯇꯨꯃꯤꯟꯅ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ or ꯀꯩꯅꯣ almost ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯎꯔꯛꯄꯗ ꯂꯣꯛꯀꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯞꯇ ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯦꯔꯤꯇꯣꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯦ ꯍ꯭ꯌꯨꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯆꯪꯉꯛꯑꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯦꯇꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯑꯒ ꯁꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯑꯦꯅꯤꯃꯦꯜꯁꯨ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯩꯌꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯤꯖꯅꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯆꯤꯟꯖꯥꯛ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯅ ꯌꯣꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯕꯦగ్ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯋꯥꯂꯕꯤꯅꯦ ꯋꯥꯂꯕꯤꯁꯤꯅ a bit smaller than kangaroo ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯥꯇꯣꯟꯒ ꯀꯩꯀꯥꯁꯦ ꯈꯔ ꯇꯨꯝꯇꯛ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯔꯁꯨꯄꯤꯌꯜꯅꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯔꯁꯨꯄꯤꯌꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯕꯨꯛꯇ ꯄꯥꯎꯆ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯆꯥꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯩꯗ ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯜꯂꯒ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯤꯅ ꯖꯣꯋꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯎꯆꯇꯨꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯛꯇꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯃꯦꯃꯦꯜꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯄꯣꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯥꯡꯗꯦꯕ ꯖꯦꯁꯇꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯠꯇꯣ ꯍ꯭ꯌꯨꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯁꯦꯟꯇꯦꯜ ꯃꯦꯃꯦꯜꯁꯇ ꯆꯜꯂꯤꯗꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯁꯦꯟꯇꯥꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯟ ꯐꯪꯉꯒ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯩꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯔꯣꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯒ ꯐꯝꯃꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯉꯝꯃꯦꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯤꯅ ꯃꯁꯀꯨꯂꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯔꯣꯡꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯃꯩꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯋꯥꯇꯔ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯣꯀꯣꯗꯥꯏꯜꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯃꯆꯤꯟ ꯇꯨꯝꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯣꯜꯇꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯄꯤꯛꯄꯁꯨ ꯍꯦꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯣꯜꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯗꯝꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯩꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯣꯋꯥꯂꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯀꯣꯋꯥꯂꯥꯁꯦ ꯌꯨꯀꯦꯂꯤꯞꯇꯁ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯥ ꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯆꯥꯏ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯃꯅꯥ ꯆꯥꯗꯦ ꯌꯨꯀꯦꯂꯤꯞꯇꯁꯀꯤ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯤꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯤꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯦꯡꯒꯔꯨꯅꯦꯕ ꯗꯤꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯁꯇꯣ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯋꯥꯂꯕꯤꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯕꯁꯨ ꯍꯦꯟꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯆꯤꯟꯒ ꯀꯩꯀꯥꯁꯦ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯕꯅꯦ ꯕꯦꯁꯤꯀꯦꯂꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯃꯥꯟꯕꯅꯦ ꯁꯖꯤ ꯃꯥꯟꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯃꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯃꯆꯤꯟꯖꯥꯛꯅꯦ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯄꯤꯖꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯋꯥꯏꯜ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯨꯚꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯟ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯦꯕꯔꯖꯤꯅꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦ So let's see. ꯁꯤꯅ ꯕꯨꯃꯔꯦꯡꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯕꯨꯃꯔꯦꯡꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯂꯪꯕ ꯇꯝꯕꯤꯔꯤꯌꯦ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯂꯪꯕꯗꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯂꯪꯕꯗꯗꯤ ꯆꯠꯂꯨ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯋꯤꯡ 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 ꯑꯅ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯈꯣꯡꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯅ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯉꯦ ꯍꯥꯏ there are some traditional rules ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅꯒ ꯂꯩꯌꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯏꯒꯤ
And 4 steps how to play a didgeridoo. The first one is the vibration of the lips. Yeah. No trumpet. You blow it like a trumpet, this is the sound you'll get. Yeah, no good. Relax, blow soft.
ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯝꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯒꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯎꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯕꯣꯔꯤꯖꯤꯅꯦꯜꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯗꯥꯔꯛ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯟꯒ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯈꯔ ꯇꯤꯄꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯊꯑꯣꯏꯀꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯊꯝꯕꯩ ꯋꯥꯅꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯇꯨꯔꯤꯁꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯁꯇꯣ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯕꯠ ꯑꯗꯔꯋꯥꯏꯁ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯤꯁꯀꯟꯁꯦꯞꯁꯟ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯦꯕꯣꯔꯤꯖꯤꯅꯦꯜꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯎꯏꯌꯦꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯛꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯥꯟꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯕꯣꯔꯤꯖꯤꯅꯦꯜꯁꯦ ꯀꯅꯥꯅꯣꯁꯦ ꯕꯥꯏ ꯂꯨꯛꯁ ꯈꯛꯇꯪꯅ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯦꯟꯇꯤꯐꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦꯕ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯤꯁꯇꯣꯔꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯁꯔꯀꯝꯁꯇꯥꯟꯁ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯦ ꯊꯥꯏꯅ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤꯁꯅ ꯀꯣꯂꯣꯅꯥꯏꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯅꯝꯗꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯦ ꯍꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯤꯁꯇꯦꯟꯁꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯟꯒꯦꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯦꯁꯤꯃꯤꯂꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯦꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯧꯈꯤ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟ ꯂꯣꯁ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯁꯤꯁ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯛꯇꯤꯁꯦꯁ ꯏꯚꯟ ꯔꯦꯞꯀ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯟꯁꯦꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯌꯨꯔꯣꯄꯤꯌꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯗ ꯑꯉꯧꯕ ꯃꯤꯒꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕ ꯑꯦꯕꯔꯤꯖꯤꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯂꯔ ꯈꯛꯇꯪꯅ ꯑꯣꯔ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯈꯛꯇꯪꯅ ꯐꯤꯆꯔꯁ ꯈꯛꯇꯪꯅ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯦꯟꯇꯤꯐꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯃꯆꯥꯒꯁꯦ ꯅꯝꯗꯅ ꯐꯣꯔꯁꯤꯕꯂꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯁꯤꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯃꯨꯚ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤꯁꯇꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯃꯨꯚ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯀꯦꯝꯞꯀꯨꯝꯕꯗ ꯊꯝꯃꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯦꯟꯇꯤꯇꯤ ꯍꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯀꯩꯀꯥꯁꯦ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯠꯂꯤ ꯃꯨꯠꯊꯠꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯇꯦꯝ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯂꯟ ꯖꯦꯅꯦꯔꯦꯁꯟꯁ ꯀꯧꯋꯦꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯁ ꯆꯔꯆꯦꯁ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯋꯦꯜꯐꯤꯌꯔ ꯕꯣꯗꯤ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗꯩꯗ ꯃꯨꯜꯂꯒ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟꯁ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯃꯈꯜꯗ ꯐꯣꯁꯇꯔ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯅꯣꯟ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯖꯤꯅꯁ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯋꯥꯏꯠ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯦꯗꯣꯞ ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯦ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯂꯥꯏꯐꯇꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯣ ꯃꯇꯧ ꯇꯝꯃꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯂꯤꯇꯔꯦꯂꯤ ꯑꯦꯕꯣꯔꯤꯖꯤꯅꯦꯜ ꯋꯦ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯂꯥꯏꯐ ꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯍꯦꯔꯤꯇꯦꯖ ꯍꯤꯁꯇ꯭री ꯋꯥꯠ ꯑꯦꯚꯔ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯠꯂꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯦꯅꯥꯏꯂꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯇꯦꯝ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯦ
We know what those animals are. Yeah. Dingo,
Kookaburra,
kookaburra, and
kangaroo.
First thing I do, imitate a dingo. Yeah.
Dingo, yeah.
Second one, kookaburra, laughing bird. Last one is the kangaroo. Yeah? Now kangaroos don't make any sounds. So we imitate them what they do. So listening, scratching, hopping.
가사 같은데?
Thank you. Okay, folks, we're gonna stand up.
ꯊꯥꯡꯒꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯇꯥ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯟꯇꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤꯗꯣ ꯎꯠꯂꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗ ꯑꯍꯨꯝ ꯌꯨꯡꯉꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛ ꯍꯤꯠꯀ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯨꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯀꯣꯆꯤ ꯃꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯥꯏꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯣꯠꯂꯒ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯄ ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯕ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯤꯖꯟꯗꯩꯅ ꯀꯩꯗꯩꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯔꯦꯡꯇꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯣ ꯃꯤ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅꯒ ꯍꯩꯕ ꯖꯥꯠ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯦꯅꯤꯃꯦꯜꯁꯦ ꯊꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯟꯇꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯆꯥꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯅꯣꯡꯁꯨ ꯆꯨꯊꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯋꯤꯟꯗꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯗꯣ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯦꯜꯀꯨꯂꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯥꯒꯤꯗꯣ ꯆꯨꯝꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯦꯠꯇꯣ ꯍꯤꯠ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯤ.
We call it a melee in our language. This was used for larger animals like kangaroo, emu, cassowary, big fish. So I'm going to give you a quick demonstration. First one by hand, fishing style, just like this.
와.
Okay, use the spear thrower. Big difference. Try and keep an eye on the spear. World record using one of these, 147 meters. So, got a couple of spears there. We're going to try accuracy out now by hitting those targets. See the coconut there? Banana patch, see how straight we can fire? We'll try to hit that for you. There we go.
너무 재밌는데?
Two more. Last one. Last one.
라스트.
Hello.
아.
Last one. Yeah, you can throw it. This one. Okay, folks.
ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯝꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯦꯕꯣꯔꯤꯖꯤꯅꯦꯜ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟ clans and tribes ꯂꯩꯀꯣ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯗꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ tribe rivalry ꯂꯩꯕꯒꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩ it depends on the land ꯀꯔꯝꯕꯅꯣꯗꯣ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯐꯝꯗꯨꯗ depend ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯕ ꯀꯔꯝꯕꯅꯣꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯣ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯔꯤ ꯇꯦꯂꯤꯡ ꯑꯦꯕꯣꯔꯤꯖꯤꯅꯦꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯔꯤ ꯇꯦꯂꯤꯡ ꯀꯧꯋꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯔꯤ ꯇꯦꯂꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯗꯥꯟꯁ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯛꯇꯤꯁꯁꯦ ꯄꯥꯁ ꯗꯥꯎꯟ ꯊ꯭ꯔꯨ ꯖꯦꯅꯦꯔꯦꯁꯟꯁꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯎꯗꯣꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯖꯦꯅꯦꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯥꯏꯅꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯁ ꯗꯥꯎꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯑꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯃꯦꯟꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯗꯥꯟꯁꯀ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯖꯤꯛꯀ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯕꯣꯗꯤ ꯄꯦꯟꯠꯁꯦ ꯌꯨꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯔꯤꯁ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯗ ꯂꯦꯟ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯔꯤꯁ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯗ ꯑꯦꯅꯤꯃꯦꯜꯁ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯝ ꯇꯥꯏꯝ ꯑꯅ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯂꯩꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯀꯦ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯝ ꯇꯥꯏꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯤꯄꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯔꯤ ꯇꯦꯂꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯨꯚꯃꯦꯟꯇꯩꯅ ꯀꯩꯗꯩꯅ ꯗꯥꯟꯁ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯦꯟꯇꯦꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯦꯅꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯝꯁ ꯑꯦꯅꯤꯃꯦꯜ ꯏꯃꯤꯇꯦꯁꯟꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯦꯅꯤꯃꯦꯜꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯕꯤꯍꯦꯕꯤꯌꯔ ꯀꯩꯀꯥꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯖꯦꯅꯦꯔꯦꯁꯟꯁꯇ ꯇꯥꯛꯅꯕ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯕꯤꯍꯦꯞ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯈꯣꯠꯂꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯤ ꯑꯦꯁꯄꯦꯛꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ ꯋꯥꯟ ꯄꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯗꯥꯎꯟ ꯅꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯂꯦꯖꯁꯦ ꯀꯜꯆꯔꯦꯜ ꯅꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯚꯦꯂ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯦꯟꯇꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗ ꯋꯥꯟ ꯖꯦꯅꯦꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯨ ꯗ ꯅꯦꯛꯁ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯝ ꯇꯥꯏꯝ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯂꯦꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯂꯩ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯏꯝꯄꯣꯔꯇꯦꯟ ꯑꯦꯕꯣꯔꯤꯖꯤꯅꯦꯜ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯝ ꯇꯥꯏꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯤꯅ ꯑꯟꯗꯔꯁꯇꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯣꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯛꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ it's at the core of Aboriginal life adum kano moise it's the foundation of Aboriginal spirituality and culture aduga kano neba moigi world se thaina ancestral kano beings na kamaina create tawgibno adagi the stories and beliefs surrounding creation human life adagi moigi existence se kamaina oirakpano adagi moigi Aboriginal kano understanding of the world adugi duneba dream time se size yamna complex oina mayam legre and basically in short dream time is the basis for Aboriginal religion culture beliefs how the universe was created how humans were created aduga kano se humans ina world ga nature ga everything kamaina intertwined tawraga magi existence se leibano do adugi duneba ado kano dream time ge kano se understanding se it's passed down through songs dance the stories the artwork aduga kano se dream time the land the Aboriginal land sisu yam sacred oina consider tawnai basically Australia se moigi horapam moigi land se spiritual landscape leiraba lamne na khalle where there are spirits of their ancestors are still in existence aduga Aboriginal sing se moigi asibagi photo sing gumbaga se yengdeba dagi yamna moigi rules ka leibani ming panyadaba kaina si gi bakangungi adagi museum daga su photo kai ka leibado adusu adum kana the site amade apology ga dum hapneba speaking their name or showing a photograph aduido kanogi sigi badugi asibadugi spirit to adugi disturb taw ena khanayeba aduna aduga moi safely leave tawbado sigi dunya se world se leave tawbado aduida hamper tawena aduna asiba khotagi photograph se yengnade utnade adigi maming su panade
silent snake. Alright, this next dance we're going to do for you now is the cassowary dance. Show them the cassowary, you're going out in this rainforest, you're looking for fruits and berries. We call this one here, Undara. Alright folks, this next dance we're going to do for you now is the shake a leg dance. We're going to come out and show you this different style of dancing. You've got to watch this dance very carefully because we're going to big surprise for you. We call this one Warrinyara.
Animal imitation gi songs and dances yam lay behavior patterns ke ka moigi kanu se animal sing to kamane hingi kamane lay moji kaman behave tawe basically generations the pass down nebe knowledge to kanu je moiga laimina ba thengna ba animal sing to phajana moiga kamane safely laigani do moigi generations future generations angang sing to khangna ba plus hunting tower again tower so adu easy oina ba abdi knowledge never see me am say like that was money just done through songs and dances.
Guess what? It's your turn. Yeah. We need some volunteers now to come down on the stage and that dance. Anyone?
By salakpagi lighter moments oina ba audience tagi mi khara su select taraga easy steps khara tambiye yamna mi ma'am yamno khale yam nungai aduga moina nga sai dagi tawado yam live nungai ba man be wane yamna moigi se yamna stamina daina effort daina energy yam changma jane masai kan mi ni ba moise aduga ngasigidi sigi sumaina si yengminaraga dum loisalasi. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Matang damuk thengnarasi. See you next time then. Bye.